Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep, really deep into the world of travel essentials. We're talking about the top 9 things you should always, always, have in your carry-on bag when you're about to board a plane. Look, I've been on enough flights to circle the globe like 1,000 times, and trust me, these items have saved me from some serious travel nightmares. Whether you're a seasoned jet setter or a first-time flyer, these tips will make your journey smoother than smooth. So, buckle up. Hit that subscribe button and let's get this show on the road. Alright, let's kick things off with the most obvious yet somehow most easily forgotten essential, your passport and travel documents. Listen, I've been there, scrambling through bags, pockets, even inside my shoes, desperately searching for that little booklet that holds the key to your destination. Not a good look, my friends. Keep everything organized and easily accessible in a dedicated travel wallet or document organizer. I'm talking passport, boarding pass, visas, confirmations, the whole shebang. And here's a pro tip. Make digital copies of everything and store them securely in the cloud. You never know when you might need a backup. Trust me, a little organization goes a long way in the chaotic world of travel. Okay, let's be real. Airplane food, it's a gamble, a culinary roulette, if you will. Sometimes you win, sometimes you're stuck with a mystery meal that could fuel a spaceship. That's where our next essential comes in. Snacks! I'm not talking about those sad little bags of pretzels they hand out mid-flight. I'm talking about the good stuff, the snacks that will make your taste buds sing even at 30,000 feet. Trail mix, energy bars, dried fruit, maybe even a little something sweet to satisfy that sugar craving. Pack a variety, keep it healthy-ish, and most importantly, delicious, because nothing ruins a flight like a rumbling stomach and a serious case of snack envy. Now, this next one is non-negotiable, people. Water, it's the elixir of life, especially when you're trapped in a metal tube hurtling through the sky. Airplane cabins are notoriously dry, and dehydration is a one-way ticket to a miserable flight. So, here's the game plan. Bring an empty, reusable water bottle with you. Once you're through security, fill it up at the water fountain, or ask a friendly flight attendant to top you off. Staying hydrated will keep your energy levels up, your skin happy, and your body feeling good throughout the journey. Trust me, your body will thank you later. Chapter 4. Silence is golden, the power of headphones. Let's face it, airplanes can be noisy beasts. Between the roaring engines, the chatter of fellow passengers, and that baby who seems to have mastered the art of the high-pitched scream, finding some peace and quiet can feel like mission impossible. But fear not, my friends, because I've got the solution: headphones. And not just any headphones, we're talking noise-cancelling, sound-eliminating, tranquility-inducing headphones. These bad boys will block out all the unwanted noise and create a little bubble of serenity around you. Whether you want to catch up on your favorite podcast, lose yourself in a movie, or simply enjoy the sweet sound of silence, a good pair of headphones is an absolute must-have for any flight. Chapter 5. Comfort is king. Travel pillow and blanket. Alright, let's talk comfort, because let's be real, airplane seats weren't exactly designed with ergonomic perfection in mind. If you're on a long-haul flight, trying to catch some shut-eye in those cramped quarters can feel like an Olympic sport. But don't despair, because with the right gear you can transform that economy seat into a first-class sleeping sanctuary. First up, a travel pillow. I'm talking about the kind that provides actual neck support, not those flimsy, inflatable ones that deflate after 5 minutes. Invest in a good quality memory foam pillow that will cradle your head and keep your neck from cricking into oblivion. And to complete your in-flight sleep haven, a lightweight, packable blanket. Trust me, these 2 items are game changers when it comes to arriving at your destination feeling refreshed and ready to explore. Chapter 6. Beat boredom in-flight entertainment essentials. Now let's address the elephant in the room, or rather the elephant in the airplane cabin: boredom. Hours stuck in a confined space with limited entertainment options can be a recipe for restlessness. But fear not, fellow travelers, because I'm here to arm you with the tools to combat boredom and keep those minds entertained. First up, books. Whether you're a fan of gripping thrillers, thought-provoking non-fiction, or heartwarming romances, a good book can transport you to another world and make the hours fly by. But hey, I get it. Sometimes you need more than words on a page. That's where technology comes in. Load up your phone or tablet with movies, TV shows, podcasts, audiobooks, or even download some games. Having a variety of entertainment options at your fingertips will ensure you're never bored, even if the in-flight entertainment system decides to take an unexpected vacation. All right, let's talk about something we all experience on long flights, feeling a little less than fresh. The combination of recycled air, cramped conditions, and let's be honest, sometimes questionable airplane bathrooms can take a toll on our hygiene standards. But fear not, my friends, because I'm about to drop some serious travel hygiene wisdom. Assemble a small, dedicated toiletry bag specifically for your carry-on. We're talking travel-sized toothpaste, toothbrush, face wipes, hand sanitizer, maybe even a little moisturizer to combat that dry cabin air. Trust me, having these essentials on hand will make you feel human again, even after hours on a plane. And here's a pro tip: pack a small pack of gum or breath mints. Your fellow passengers will thank you. Okay, this next tip is all about being prepared for the unexpected. Picture this. You've landed at your destination, you're eagerly waiting at the baggage carousel, but your luggage is nowhere to be found. Lost luggage is a traveler's worst nightmare, but it's a nightmare you can be prepared for. Always, and I mean always, pack a change of clothes in your carry-on bag. A fresh t-shirt, a pair of underwear, maybe even an extra pair of socks. Having these essentials on hand will be a lifesaver if your checked luggage decides to take a detour to a remote island somewhere. Trust me, you'll thank me later when you're not stuck wearing the same clothes for 3 days straight. All right, last but not least, let's talk about health. When you're traveling, it's always better to be safe than sorry, which is why having a small medical kit in your carry-on is crucial. I'm not talking about packing a full-on doctor's bag, just the essentials. Any prescription medications you take, make sure you have enough to last the entire trip, plus a few extra days just in case. And it's always a good idea to pack a small first aid kit with band-aids, pain relievers, allergy medicine, and anything else you might need for minor ailments. Remember, it's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. And there you have it, my friends. The 9 must-have items that will transform your next flight from a dreaded experience into a comfortable and enjoyable journey. Remember, preparation is key when it comes to travel, and having these essentials on hand will give you peace of mind and ensure you're ready for anything. So, pack your bags, grab your headphones, and get ready to explore the world in comfort and style. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow travel enthusiasts. Safe travels, and I'll catch you in the next one.